Hi everyone, Sat Shri Akal. My name is Princy Kaur and welcome to my second physiotherapy vlog on hot versus cold. Now this is very commonly asked question that whenever there is a pain or injury, whether I should use a hot pack or cold pack. So the thumb rule is that whenever there is acute injury, that is any injury or any pain less than 72 hours, that is less than 2 to 3 days, you should use ice pack, and if it is more than 2 to 3 days, then you should go for hot application. Now there is more to understand. So how it works, how ice pack works on our body. Whenever you apply a ice pack on a body, the tissue temperature decreases, the tissue temperature decreases, and hence the blood flow to that area is reduced, thus decreasing the swelling and the inflammation to the injured area, and hence it makes the area numb and you feel less pain. Now how does hot pack works? Hot pack, when you apply to the area, it increases the blood flow of that area, it increases the elasticity of the tissues, and thus relaxing the tissues and relaxing the muscles where the hot pack is applied. As I told you that heat will relax your muscles, heat will increase the elasticity, heat will increase the temperature. So where you feel tightness in your body, where you feel joint stiffness, where there is muscle tightness, for example in cervical spondylitis there is joint stiffness which further leads to muscle tightness, as the mobility of your joint is reduced, so the muscles also are not moving and they will also sooner or later become tight. So in those conditions you should use heat or hot packs. And the conditions where there is lots of blood flow, increased blood flow, increased inflammation, increased swelling, there we need to decrease the temperature of that area. So we are going to use cold packs, cold applications. For example, muscle strain, ligament sprain, arthritis, bursitis, and myofascial trigger points, those conditions you should use ice to reduce the pain. Now comes the question that what is the duration, what is the time, हमें कितनी देर तक hot pack लगाना चाहिए और कितनी देर तक cold pack लगाना चाहिए. Now you can use hot packs for good 15 to 30 minutes to the area, and you can use cold pack for not more than 15 minutes, because then you might damage your nerves as well as you can get skin burns. Yes, ice packs can also give you skin burns. Most commonly it is called as frostbite. Also, I would suggest that whenever you are using hot or cold, you should use a thin layer of towel to avoid any burn, whether it is hot burn, whether it is cold burn to your skin. Now friends, there are certain conditions जहाँ पे आपको hot pack और cold pack नहीं use करना चाहिए, और वो है hypersensitivity, skin disorders like dermatitis, bleeding disorders, impaired circulations जहाँ पे blood flow less है या फिर जहाँ पे blood flow बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, वहाँ पे आइस और हॉट नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए. इन केस ऑफ ऑल्टर्ड सेंसेशंस, जहाँ पे पेशेंट बता ही नहीं सकता कि उसको ज़्यादा ठंडा लग रहा है या ज़्यादा गर्म लग रहा है, स्किन में ही सेंसेशंस ऑल्टर्ड हैं, वहाँ पे भी ये सब नहीं यूज़ करना है. लाइक डायबिटिक न्यूरोपैथी और अदर पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथीज, conditions like malignancies, conditions where patient cannot communicate with you that hot pack is too hot or cold pack is too cold. For example, dementia and dysphagia, there you should not use hot or cold packs. Now in case of open wounds, direct application of hot packs and cold pack is not indicated. Indirect cool air guns can be used, or infrared radiations can be used in case of open wounds. Conditions where there is metal implants or screws or any plates, or in case of open reduction of the fractures, there you should not use hot application. Instead you can use cold packs. Conditions where patient is having high blood pressure, heart disorders, or females with pregnant fetus, I would recommend you to ask your doctor before using any hot or cold application. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this is helpful to you all, and see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.